So in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress table plugin tutorial 2020. So before I begin, my name is Jawar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing, and also if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Now let's get back to the video. So currently right now I'm into my WordPress dashboard, and if you're just looking for a very reliable web hosting, I would suggest Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. I have a 70% discount and they offer you a 30-day money back guarantee. And this hosting is really good because it helps you load your website really fast, so you could go and check it out. Now let's get back to the video, how to install a table plugin. So all you have to do is click on plugins, add new, and just type table press. Just type again. So as this one, it has more than 800,000 downloads. Just click on install now. Once this is installed, click on activate. Once this is activated, you can just click on table press. If you want, you could import a new table, but I would always suggest add a new table. You can say demo, description, 5 rows, 5 columns, add a table. And once the table is added, so you could just fill out the information. You could insert image. So let's say just like Excel, if you know how to use Excel, you know this, you can just write fruits, apple, banana. Sorry for the wrong spelling, so just make it up. Great. So you could fill anything out. There are a lot of options. It's very self-explanatory, so I don't have to explain you each and everything. And then once this is done, you could just use the shortcode, copy this thing, go on post. Okay, just click on edit. Add a new post. If it's over here, there's lightbox, embeds. So all you have to do is just going to delete this first. You can just click over here, add a short code. So just write short code, paste the short code, update, and then you can just click on preview. And as you could see, everything is over here. If you want to make more changes to it, you could just go back over here again, table press, and you could add the columns and you can edit it. So there are a lot of options as well. As you could see, select rows, insert link, you can insert an image, you can combine a cell, so you could do that. You can do a lot of things over here. You can delete as well, you could export, you could copy table, you could upload a CSV if you're using Excel. And if you click on plugin options, so you can customize. If you know CSS, you can customize this as well. But this is how you install a table plugin in WordPress. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you find this reliable, please consider subscribing, and I would see you in the next video. So as promised, this is the bonus. I have created a free crash course on how to build a WordPress website from scratch for absolute beginners. It's an exclusive training where I teach you how to create a website from scratch, how to build a professional looking website for you or your business, and techniques to get free traffic to your website. And this is a free course, and everything is included. How you could make an SEO optimized website where you can get and generate a lot of traffic. The link is down below, and I would see you inside the course. And thank you for watching.